Hello guys, hello for everyone. So in this video I want to show how to add the multi-samples and style inside on the vArranger. I just will be show for everyone which one is I have the any multi-samples and style, and just to show how to do. Let's just to add my zoom. So if you have the vArranger, that's my vArranger is there. So if by the vArranger, definitely need to be received like this file, and this is the vArranger, and from here just when you open we will receive this one, and later when you're going on the vArranger date, and there we have the sound, we have and the styles as well. So the sound will be add here, the styles will be add on this one, and this vArranger file, and there save the everything, like every reduction, edit, and everything is there. So when you make the some change it, like edit or something, this file is very important to save, or to save all together on the different way, just to don't lose the work. So the first one, how to add the sound. So I will show you. This is the my Ketron SD90, the full pack. So thank you for everyone which one is buy this pack from me. This is from Ketron SD90, the full pack. That is the SoundFont samples. Don't forget to vArranger use it the SoundFont to samples. I think he used it and another models from the samples, but for this video I will show exactly how to work and add the sound from the SoundFont samples. So the first one, so the all my pack here, if you buy the Ketron SD90 is the full pack, is the more than 4 gigabyte. I will show you. So this one is show me is around the 4 gigabyte and the 46, so 4 gigabyte 460 megabytes. So my experience, the vArranger working perfect myself, I think, from my experience, around the maximum 3 gigabyte or maximum 3.5, 3.5 maximum. Don't put more than 4 gigabyte because the program start working very lazy, sometimes have the bug and not so good. So let's just to start the vArranger first. So the sound, I'll show you the sound here is empty. So the sound we have, when you open the sound, I have the presets, samples, and VST presets. So when you're going on the samples, the folder is empty. The folder is empty, and if you're going on the style, I have the style here. I have the style. That is my collection from the style when I'm give you free for everyone. So the first one, if you let's to add the sound. Let's first just to add the vArranger to start it and show you what happened. So start it from here. Just to wait a little bit to load the vArranger. right? Right, so here when you're going on the here is the SoundFont player. When you're going there and look at for this is bank 00. That sound is from the vArranger. That is the vArranger sound here. And when you use it, this like style, like which one to be? Let's do going on the folder pop and use it like this ballad. I will be using just so these drums here. That's on the moment sound is from the vArranger. So let's to add the Ketron SD90 multisamples inside. So what you need to do, going on the Ketron SD90 full pack there, will be just in the copy. I will just copy on the bank A, bank B, bank C, and drum section. To don't have so to be easy to work, just in the copy and going on the vArranger folder here, the vArranger folder, open the vArranger date here and going on the sound. Let's use it the zoom just to see the sound. Press the open this folder and going on the samples. And now just in the paste this folder here, this multisamples here. So I have it's around 3 gigabytes, just everything there. Okay, let's again. So I will get the bank A, B, C, and plus drums just in the copy from here, and going again on the sound, the vArranger from here, the vArranger date. Press the open the folder, going on the sounds, going on the samples, and just in the paste here. So just will be waiting a little bit. 2 gigabyte and 90. So bank A, B, C plus drums, and just wait just to copy here. Okay, so the samples should be the paste there. Let's to check what happened. So that is the vArranger sound samples. You will have the bank A, bank B, bank C, and SD drum. Let's open the bank A. So should be here, need to be 127 files. And anyway, I will show you later. So let's to show how to add the style as well. So I have here the Roland style for vArranger 2. That is the all my style when I have just in the copy here. So actually when I finish the video, just in the look at below the video on my description, I will be add for everyone that all this style free for everyone to use it, and will be received this zip file just in the unpack, and will be received all this one, the same style, how to add the style on the vArranger, just from here copy, going on the vArranger, here's the samples. So yeah, need to going back again. So the vArranger date, press here. Let's to make the zoom a little bit. So the date. Now we're going on the style, room 1, and just in the paste here I am ready add, so the all style here. And next steps, just start the vArranger, and vArranger automatic need to be add the everything. So just will be start from here. Yes, and now just waiting a little bit. Okay, so the vArranger is coming. Let's just set my MIDI keyboard. I have the Akai Professional MPK 261. Let's just to add here. Let's to make the zoom a little bit. It's very important. So the MIDI in, that is the my Akai. On the MIDI out, so we need to add the vArranger software synthesizer. And here on the general MIDI 2, I will be add the Ketron SD1000 here. And on the speaker, on the audio out, usually I'm using the ASIO for all, or FL Studio ASIO as well, but on the moment I will be using the direct sound. Why? Because this screen record program have the conflict with the audio driver and no sound. So when I'm using the direct sound, on the moment I will be don't have the nothing effect like reverb or everything. So style is here, ballad, country, dance, funk, and the sound you have found it here, the SoundFont 2. When you press here, it's missing. Let's to see what happened, why it's missing. Yes, I know why it's missing, because that is the folder. So what happened, so just need to unpack and cut, just will be cut. I need to put here, not on the folder, I need to be empty. So bank B as well, and player can understand what happened. Let's to close the vArranger now. We close the vArranger. So I need to unpack. This is bank A, bank B. Just in the cut from here. Paste. Bank C. Same. And drums. Yeah, and now this folder just will be delete. We take off from here, just delete. And so now the all samples is unpack, like to be natural like that. SoundFont, and usually I will show you, I am numbered, so the drums is like that. The 065, I will show you where is that is the position on on the all samples. So let's to start vArranger again. I'm going there, and now need to be working normally. vArranger, and now need to be working normally everything. Right, let's to going to vArranger again. Now it's what started. Right, and let's to going the SoundFont here. Now, yes, so the grand piano. Where's the my MIDI port? Let's do. Let's do add the my keyboard here. My keyboard is missing on the moment. Let's try again. Now have the sound. Right, have the sound. Let's just add my keyboard. Yes, it's there. Everything should be fine now. And again, we'll be going. Usually the sound will be looked for here as well. And here, but I will show you here is much visible. When you're going there, we have the bank A, B, C plus drums. So just let's do going on to this one. So nothing effect here on the right side, because I will show you why, the direct sound. So this multisamples, when I'm at on the moment, that is bank A, B, C and drums. So the bank A will be found on the bank 0. The bank B will be here on the bank 1. So this is everything from here. Can I open a little bit this one? Yeah, and bank C, ABC bank C should be on bank 10. Yes, and drum section as well. But I will be make another video to show how to add, to make correction on the styles and everything. So important just to know how to add the multisamples here. How to add the style as well, and I think that's enough on the moment, and I will make another video to show you how to make some tricks and other as well. So again, the all style, when you have the multisamples, just in the vArranger, just the vArranger date, the multisamples, just look at on the sounds here, on the samples, and just in the unpack, like to be like that, all to be like that. And style, we're going on the folder styles, and just in the style room, and just add here. That's it. So thank you very much to watch the video. Thank you very much for everyone which one is interesting for video and buy the my pack on the multisamples. All these styles I will give you free. Just again look below the video with my description. I'll just put some file just to download free from there and to use it and enjoy it. Thank you very much and have a nice good day for everyone. I so hope to be useful for you. Thank you.